This problem is asking us to graph the polynomial x cubed plus 3x squared minus 9x minus 27. We know that this is a cubic polynomial with positive amplitude because the coefficient in front of x cubed is positive 1. That tells us that our end behaviors are down and up. We also know that our y-intercept is negative 27 because that's our constant term. So we can graph negative 27 as our y-intercept. The next thing we need to do is find our roots. In order to find our roots, we need to factor this polynomial. We can factor this polynomial by grouping. I notice that these first two terms have a common factor of x squared, leaving me with x plus 3. And then the second two terms have a common factor of negative 9, leaving me with x plus 3. So I get x squared minus 9 times x plus 3. Since this is a cubic polynomial, I should have 3 factors. So I can factor this factor further by using difference of squares. That factors down into x minus 3 times x plus 3. This tells me I have a root at 3 and negative 3, so I can place my roots on my graph. So from here I can start graphing. I know that this particular root at negative 3 has a multiplicity of 2, so it's going to bounce off, which makes sense, connecting it to my down arrow and connecting it to my y-intercept. I know that my root at 3 is linear because it has a multiplicity of 1, so I'm going to go straight through 3 and connect that to my arrow.